Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see everything know about Starlink internet application. Previously, I also make a video unboxing and setup installation video as well. This video we will see how to use Starlink application. So this is the application. If I open this application, this is the standard view. I just simply sign in here using my email address. So this is my Starlink application, the account, profile, billing and order as well. This is the standard kit I am using currently. The application saying me the Starlink is not perfectly fixed. You can just simply change 38 degrees Celsius and afterwards you can receive much more impressive internet. So here the welcome in Denmark, related information, statisticals, ping, success, the other information is available here, power, last 1 days and downloading speed. But this one is a constant and much impressive compared to standard internet. So here how many devices you connect, you can very easily check here. Any other devices you are not recognized, so you just simply click here and pause this device internet connection. Go back subscription point of view. Here the nickname, the location, I just simply type here location name Research Rocks. My subscription is a 260 Danish krona. Internet speed I am receiving 99% download speed. Change the plan from here to here. Data uses, I fixed this one in 31st of Jan, so I am using data till now 142 GB since January 2026. So here information, go back here the alignment, you can very easily find out the alignment and how you fix properly. So there is the speed, here is the internet speed. You can check which types of internet speed you are receiving, just simply say start. So here the Starlink speed showing me like a 261 MB speed and still calculate. We can wait couple of seconds. So look at this here, first speed is a downloading speed 260 MB per second and second one is uploading speed we are receiving, and this speed we are receiving from millisecond. If you go here advanced, so internet, router and phone, iPhone to internet. So which types of speed I am receiving in my mobile phone, you are receiving definitely mobile phone speed is different, your laptop speed is different, television speed is different and home desktop speed is different. So this is just simply calculate the speed of my mobile phone, how much speed internet I am receiving in my mobile phone. This is the comparison, like 109 MB per second for the downloading and uploading speed compared to the laptop. This one is a slow, this internet speed we are receiving in millisecond. So you can very easily check the internet speed as well. For the setting point of view, you won't change your internet name. So initially I am receiving Starlink without password. So I just simply type here sing_Starlink, provide here the password, and my speed is, I'm not splitting 2.4 gigabytes to 5 I just simply using 5 GB internet always I'm receiving. So here is the information, you can change the network name and set the password as well, add the network, current filtering, robot, custom DNI, bypass mode and factory reset option is also available. If the update is available on your Starlink, so you can decide the overnight time the software is update and your internet is a stop. We can skip it here and use if you want update the software, you just spend like a 5 to 10 minutes and very fast way the update the software. So here the setting and support the customer care. If you facing the problem, you can watch here the video, otherwise you just simply type here the message which types of problem you are facing, and the fraction of second they are helping you. Okay, you are doing this, you are doing that, and fix your problem. Here share and refers options is also available. If you use my referral link and order the Starlink standard kit, so you should receive 1 month internet absolutely free. I already added the link in video description. So this is the fundamental information about the Starlink internet kit and Starlink application. If you have any question related on this application, you can ask me on comment section, or you have any question how to order Starlink internet, it's really worth it to purchase, or how to use, you can ask me on comment section. Definitely I will help you. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.